Welcome to our group project video about stress as an emotion. First of all, what is stress? Stress can be described as a human emotion or reaction to pressures, threats, and challenges in our lives. It is often triggered when we experience something new and unexpected, or by situations which threaten our self-esteem and control. Emotional symptoms of stress can include feelings of irritability, anxiety, fear, and depression. It is a highly negative emotion which can cause adverse reactions in the short term and have serious long-term effects on someone's mental and physical health.
Social status, also known as socio-economic status (SES), refers to a person's place in society and is frequently determined by their work, income, and level of education. Subjective social status (SSS), on the other hand, is a person's subjective assessment of their own rank and has been shown to be more accurate indicator of teen health than socio-economic status (SES). Higher social standing is linked to fewer health issues, longer lifespans, and a lower chance of disorders, including stress, obesity, and cardiovascular diseases, according to research.
A study which explores these ideas is Steen et al. 2020. The aim of this study was to investigate subjective social status and perceived stress for a sample of Danish teenagers. Researchers investigated SSS in society and then in over 8,000 15 to 16-year-old students in a Danish school. Their results, as on the screen, concluded that lower SSS equates to higher rates of perceived stress. Now we will explain a key method of dealing with stress. One of the main ways to cope with stress is improving your diet. Research has shown that the Mediterranean diet, which includes a high quantity of vegetables, fruits, nuts, and cereals, as well as seafood, meat, and dairy products, is consistently associated with better health and lower stress levels. This is also due to the fact that the balance of the diet and the elimination of processed foods and sugary items reduces stress levels. This theory was tested in Carvalho et al. 2018, where the relationship between the Mediterranean diet and stress was investigated in terms of cortisol levels. 242 adolescent participants aged from 12 to 17 from 10 European countries were sampled, and their morning salivary cortisol levels were measured for 7 consecutive days. Their diet was recorded and measured using the Mediterranean Diet Score, also known as MDS, through a questionnaire. The results show that there was a highly significant negative correlation between the participants' MDS value and their cortisol levels. It was concluded that the students with a diet which closely resembled the Mediterranean diet had lower levels of cortisol. Apart from lowering stress levels, the diet also reduced stress-induced inflammation, which is a common factor in many mental and physical health problems. This pro tip concludes our video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you know more about stress as an emotion.